Hello friends, today we are going to do Aksharabhyasa 7. The letters which we are going to learn today are I, Ru, Na, O, Ch. Let us see some words beginning with the letters. I, Aidala, hibiscus. Na, Kana. Threshing is a process of separating grains from stalks. So once the stalks have completely dried, the farmer beats them against the hard floor called as a threshing floor to free the grains. So Kana is threshing floor. O, Onamara, dry tree. So the letters which we learn today are I, R, N, O, Ch. ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Read the below words aloud and write them in your notebook. ಐದಳ, ಋಣ, ಕಣ, ಬಡಗಣ, ಛಲ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಮಾದರಿಯಂತೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದಷ್ಟು ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Given a table and the table has a set of letters. We have to make words, as many words using only these letters. So for example, Madari's example, Kanaja, Ka-na-ja. Kanaja is a place where you store the grains. Now let us make some words using these letters. First is Amara. Amara means immortal. Second, Arasa. Arasa is king. Dasara. Dasara is a festival. Kana. Kana is threshing floor. Onamara. Onamara is dry tree. Dara. Dara means rate or price. Sara. Sara is necklace. Ona. Ona means dry. So children can make as many words they want. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನಕಲು ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಓದಿಸಿ. Given are a set of words below. Ask the children to read them and write them in the space given below. Runa, Mana, Ruta, Chala, Kana, Ona, ಹಣ, ಬಣ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಸರಳ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿಸಿ. Make the children read the below simple sentences. ವಾಕ್ಯ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅವಳ, ಹರ್, ಸರ, ನೆಕ್ಲೆಸ್. ಅವಳ ಸರ, ಹರ್ ನೆಕ್ಲೆಸ್. ಅವಳ ಸರ, ಹರ್ ನೆಕ್ಲೆಸ್. ಹವಳದ ಸರ is a coral necklace. ಹವಳ, coral. ತರತರದ, different type or variety. ಹವಳದ ಸರ, coral necklace. ಅವನ ಪಟ, ಅವನ, his, ಪಟ, kite. ಅವನ ಪಟ, his kite. ತರತರದ ಪಟ, different type, kite. ತರತರದ ಪಟ, ಬಹಳ ಅಗಲ. Agala is wide. So the kite is very wide. ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯ್ದು ಮಾದರಿಯಂತೆ ಪದಸರ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. So we have a house of letters. We have to pick two letters and form a word, and then make a word chain, pada sara. So let us see how to do that. We'll have a look at the example. Madari example. So the first word here is gaja. Gaja. Gaja is a word made by using two letters, G and J. It ends with the letter J. Now we have to form a word, a two-letter word using the letter J. So here we have Jana. Jana ends with the letter N. Now we have to form a two-letter word using the letter N. Nara. Similarly, Nara ends with the letter R. Next word is Raja. Raja ends with the letter J. So the new word formed is Japa. Similarly, Pata. So here is a word chain. Now what we need to do here is we have to make a word chain and fill the necklace. So what I would first do is, first we will make the word chain and then we will fill these words into the necklace. Now let us make the word chain and then fill in the necklace. So I am using the word Sara to start my word chain. Sa-ra, Sara. It ends with the letter R, so we need to make a new word using the letter R. Rasa. Rasa ends with the letter S. Sama. Ma. Mara. Ra. Raja. Ja. Jana. Na. Nava. Vana. Naga. Gaja. Java. Vana. So, Sara, Rasa, Sama, Mara, Raja, Jana, Nava, Vana, Naga, Gaja, Java, Vana.